Fiú ná like nervíshi timple bhí fil I gcónaí sais exotic agus bhí an ceol có éagsúil sin, but fós is sais intrinsically Dublin an gapanta sé sin freisin.
Yeah, well it's féidir Jonachar ceol tradiisiúnta chluisin sa ceol, I mean stuff ar nós emerald agus fiú, whisky na jar agus na twin guitars I denmh sais jigs haar rock ceol, so it's ceol éireannach ach rock ceol éireannach
Agus do ceangalt omláin le Tin Lizzie agus le Phil lemlách lia. So cad é do ceangalt leis an mana?
Well, it's doch gras mis sús a géiste. Well, bhí si de gcónaí timpealarm agus méid fás sús scuivanlum Euro 88 agus Italian 90 agus sin díreach in éag bás Phil agus gach kosher a bhí ann in éag na cluichí bhí the boys are back in town across the new dirty old or whiskey in a jar agus mar sin de.
So cad fion an tionchar bhí ag Tin Lizzie ar do cheol féin?
Thug se sin sais dóchas do cheoltóirí óga ar nás me héin go bhfuil mid ná na dhéanamh taobh muide ar an fiú. So se sin agus an tionachar éarnach ina chuid ceol níor cáil se sin riomh fiú do chuig an banna go London agus mar sin de ach níor cáil sé a héarnachas riomh, you know, so the question shock more or well the question Jonachar more like tá Phil có Dublin lena Dubliners like fi sé ar an levéil sin agus mis sé fásús Phil in it blá lia sin é agus an fíric go bhfuil is tócha chuige fan géad de mocáda dearan siad mai mai scoil Phil in it sin sais you know tá sé cool folks.
This boy is cracking up. This boy has broken down. This boy is cracking up. This boy has broke down.
And in terms of the gigs themselves, what was the buzz at the gigs?
Well, you see, the biggest thing about the whole thing was that he was our first rock star. That's the single most important thing. So the buzz was great because of what he was. Also, you got to understand that, you know, Tin Lizzie did what they did by 69, 70, 71, 72. They got their hit in 73, which was the whiskey in the jar. Yeah. And you know something really weird? Great, the floodgates have opened. Nothing happened for 3 years. They were gone. They brought out an album called Fighting, which was pathetic looking cover where they're all really tough on the cover. Back to kind of dodgy, kind of too hard rock. And they were gone. And then 1976 came along, the boys are back in town, and the whole new chapter opened. And Tin Lizzie really happened to them with all that, especially with the album Jailbreak. And also as the music was changing in Britain, it was a really strange thing that one of the few old-fashioned, if you like, rock bands that were accepted by all these new people was Tin Lizzie, because of Phil in it.
Well, I've been spending my time in this old town. It's not the same, honey. You're not around. Now you're not around. This